Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation on my e-learning expectations and setup to get you ready for next week, which we will start with the e-learning community. Primarily, the first thing I want to say is that there are two main ways to contact me, and that's through Edsby, which all of you guys should be familiar with at this point. If not, please message me at my Google Voice number, which is 813-331-5372. If you ever have a question on an assignment or something urgent, or you can't log in to a lecture, please message me at the 813-331-5372 number because probably more uh, easy to access at that number. Okay, so first I want to go over my attendance policy and the importance of attendance during the e-learning digital learning time period, which as of right now is until April 15th. Attendance will be taken every single day. There's going to be various ways I'm going to do it, whether it's an Edsby poll, assignments being turned in, liking a post, um, answering a quick question via Edsby message, or even like a quiz that will only be available for 24 hours from like midnight to midnight. As long as you get a grade for that quiz, then I know that you've been to Edsby that day. Just so you do know that if there's 2 days without contact, I will have to message administration to let you know because attendance is so important during this time period. Um, so Zoom, I'm sure at this point it's Friday of our Set Up for Success week, so I'm sure that you guys have all been involved in a Zoom meeting at this point. If not, I will be able to help you guys figure it out. It's very easy. You are required to be in one Zoom meeting a week. The meetings will be at 2:15 on Tuesdays and 10:15 on Thursdays. So you only have to be in one of those. Both of them are an option, though. As in a regular classroom, you're going to have to take notes, and those notes will need to be shared with me on Edsby. I don't mind if you write the notes out and take a picture, or if you type the notes out and share a file. Either works for me. And behavior in Zoom should be respectful and resemble behavior in a classroom. So I don't want you guys messaging each other or making jokes or dressed inappropriately or sharing inappropriate content that's happened. So those are just a few things, and I will post another document that is more in depth on my expectations of y'all during this time on Edsby, and I expect you guys to follow up on that. So a lot of students are messaging me asking me how the online school is really going to work, when their assignments are going to be assigned, when they're due, and that will be something that I'll be posting videos like this on a weekly basis, giving you guys an update of what's expected from you in the upcoming week. So we will be having Zoom lectures. We'll be using ICEV, which is a platform that is based on agriculture education that will have assignments, lectures, videos. You guys have all done assignments from ICEV before and also seen the videos and the lectures. So this all shouldn't be new content, except for I need you guys to register. And there's a link on Edsby to it. And when it asks for a code, it is PILMCWIL001. And also you're going to need to register for your online textbook because we'll be utilizing that as well, and that link is on Edsby as well. So this is going to be very interesting because I'll be able to use a lot of different resources and give you a lot of different assignments, and you're just going to be submitting everything through Edsby, and you'll be getting grades a lot more quick than you do in a classroom. Okay, so one thing that is very important that I will be posting a very well done video by the other agriculture teacher, Mr. Cooley. He's really explained what Office 365 is, but if you don't have access to Microsoft Office Suite at home, you actually do through Office 365. Every student and employee in Hillsborough County has actually 6 devices they can have it on, and that would provide you with access to Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Excel, OneNote. All of those resources are available. You can actually save all your documents to Microsoft OneDrive. And to log in, it's going to be your student ID, your lunch number, at hcps.net. And the password is going to be your birthday. And one of the things I like, and all my documents are saved to my OneDrive, and I'll be sharing that to any student that asks me for it. Okay, so assignments, you'll have multiple assignments that are assigned to you on Mondays, and you will have the whole week to complete it. Now, I will have maybe checkpoints where I'm like, okay, I need you to have this done by this day and this done by this day, and that's just to keep you guys accountable, because one of the most important things during this time is going to be accountability. And throughout the week, I might post quizzes that are available only for one day. As I said earlier, that'll be a way that I take attendance. All right. So that's it for this short little video. I want everyone to understand that there is going to be growing pains. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Feel free to contact me whenever you need. My expectation from you guys is to just be present. Show that you guys are trying, and I'll be understanding, and I'll help you guys as much as possible. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.